When I first joined Distology, we were unable to access any of our on-site resources remotely. And even though 90% of our technology is either SaaS or cloud-based, there was still 10% of our technology that was actually on-prem. And this technology were basically servers that our solutions engineers would use for demoing and testing environments, essentially. This means we had to physically come into the office whenever we wanted to access our infrastructure. A solution we did consider was a VPN, and we could have done that with our firewall, but it didn't really fit with our zero trust infrastructure model. And there was other security implications we had to consider as well. Another issue that we faced was our IT support team was unable to access our on-prem infrastructure for scheduled maintenance without coming into the office. And this was challenging, especially during COVID, as only a limited amount of people were able to come into the office, and we didn't really know when things would return to normal. Even though a small percentage of our technology was on-prem, there was a lack of security and flexibility for the ones who were responsible for maintaining it. So when Distology partnered with Cyolo, we decided to implement their technology, and we do that for all our vendors. Cyolo booked an hour-long call with our technical services team to help us set up, and looking back, we probably didn't even need them on the call because it was that simple to get it set up. I also remember getting the meeting invite and thinking 1 hour isn't really going to be long enough to get it set up. But we joined the call and we had a script we had to run on a Docker container, so we deployed it on-prem. We added a couple of IP addresses and ports of the assets we wanted to get set up. And we were pretty much up and running in less than 45 minutes, surprisingly. Since then, we've added things like device posture check. We've integrated it into our Okta deployment as well, because Okta is our identity provider, and we need to confirm people are who they say they are before they can actually access our resources. Now my team can access our on-prem resources from pretty much anywhere in a secure fashion. Gone are the days where we have to come into the office just to reboot a virtual machine. I would highly recommend Cyolo to any system administrator who's looking at replacing their current VPN solution or just being able to connect to their IT assets remotely in a secure fashion where identity is the heart of their technology.